Challis Volcanics, created by Victoria, Courtney, Tiana, and Utsav. Through this presentation, we'd like to explore about Challis Volcanic location, primary rock type, its formation, age of these rocks, some of the structural features, its eruptive history, present topography, natural resources that have been mined from this area in the past, and finally the natural hazards related to these areas. Challis Volcanic Field occupies the valley of the Little Wood River and its tributaries in the Haley and Idaho Falls of southern Idaho. The Challis Volcanic Group covers approximately 25,000 square kilometers in Idaho, making it the largest of Eocene volcanic field.
When looking at the Challis Volcanic, there are 6 main types of rocks including tuff, basalt, rhyolite, silicic rocks, scattered intrusive platoons, and intermediate to mafic rocks. Next is the primary ages of these rocks. Igneous activity occurred in 2 main phases. Phase 1 occurred around 52 million years ago with the intrusion of shallow granitic platoons that were 3 to 4 miles below the surface. The second phase occurred around 51 to 45 million years ago and included volcanic eruptions and mafic lava flows, as well as highly explosive silicic ash flows. Next, we have the formation of these primary rocks from youngest to oldest. The youngest set of rocks are the dome. Next is volcaniclastic sedimentary, then andesite lava flow, and lastly conglomerate. Looking at the dome, we know that the main dacite unit erupted from fissures and formed by flowing complexes mainly west of the Littlewood River. Volcaniclastic sedimentary rocks are identical to the lower and upper sedimentary units and are commonly interbedded with andesite flows and breccia, indicating that volcanic material was transported as lava flows, ash flow tuff, and stream sediment. Andesite lava flow typically forms well stratified and has deposits consisting of lava flows and tuff bacteria. Lastly is conglomerate, which has angular unconformity with the underlying Wood River Formation.
Southern Challis fields consist of subdivided stratigraphic packages with basalt challis conglomerate, andesitic lava flows, dacitic to rhyodacite ash flows, and dacitic to rhyolitic hypobasal intrusions. Northern Challis fields consist of subdivided stratigraphic packages with intermediate rocks, rhyodacite to rhyolite, ash flows, tuffs, and rhyodacite to rhyodilite, domes and plugs. History of Challis Volcano. The eruptive history of the Challis Volcanic Field in central Idaho can be divided into 3 parts. 1. Early effusive volcanism, dominantly andesitic to dacitic, followed by 2. Explosive dacitic to rhyolitic ash flow, tuff eruptions, and formation of cauldron complexes, and culminating in 3. Intrusion of late-stage dacite to rhyolite domes and plugs. In the Little Wood River area, the first stage represents approximately 90% of the section. The natural resources. Materials that have been mined from the area include gold, silver, copper, building stone, uranium, fluorspar, lead, and zinc.
Now looking at the natural hazards in the Challis Volcanics. According to the Challis, Idaho Natural Disasters and Weather Extremes, earthquakes are the most common natural hazard here. And in the past 365 days, there have been 49 earthquakes with a magnitude greater than 5.1. That's pretty much the end of our presentation. Here is our works cited page. And thank you for watching.